Hey friends, if you're facing an issue in OBS Studio where the push to talk or push to mute buttons are not working properly, don't worry. This video is for you. Stay with me till the end. I'll walk you through the exact solution step by step. Step 1, open OBS settings. First, go to Settings in OBS. Step 2, change output mode. In the left menu, click on Output. You'll see the output mode set to Advanced. Change it to Simple and then click Apply. That's the first fix. Step 3. Adjust recording settings. While you're still in simple output mode, look under the recording section. Set the recording quality to high quality medium file size. Set recording format to MP4, if it's not already. Make sure the encoder is properly selected, like X264 or hardware encoder depending on your system. Step 4. Check hotkeys. Now go to the Hotkeys tab. Double check whether the hotkeys for push to talk or push to mute are correctly assigned. Reassign them if necessary. After making changes, click Apply and then OK. Step 5. Test the fix. Now go back and click Start Recording and test whether your push-unpush button is working or not. In my case, it's working perfectly now. It's a very simple fix, just follow these steps carefully.